Good morning class. Today we will discuss the rest exercises of the chapter number first, the sentence, exercise number D and exercise number E. What is sentence? A sentence is a basic unit of language. A sentence is a basic unit of language and it have a verb and a subject. It contains a verb and a subject, and we can divide the sentence into two parts, subject and predicate. Subject means noun based part and predicate means verb based past. Noun based part and verb based part. And the definition of sentence is, a sentence is a group of words which make complete sense and contains a subject and a predicate. As I told you in the previous video that you first have to write the definition of sentence in your fair copy, this definition and these two examples. Okay, if there is any confusion, so clear it class that first you have to write definition of sentence with two examples, and after this exercise number A and exercise number B and exercise number C. Heading means question you have to write with black pen, and the sentence with blue. Only fill up you have to write with black and then underline it. Write the question with black pen, then read statement with blue pen and fill up carpenter, my mother and Allahabad. Fill up you have to write with black pen or write blue but underline it with black. After A, exercise number B and C. In exercise number B, you have to just underline predicate, not the subject. You have to underline only predicate, not the subject. And then exercise number C, underline the subject in the following sentence. Write the statement, write the sentence, question sentence with black pen and statement with blue pen and underline with black pen. Now we will discuss here exercise number D and exercise number E. Exercise number D is match the column, means match the subject with predicate. As I told you earlier that we can divide the sentence into two parts, subject and predicate. Subject means noun based part of pronoun, noun or pronoun based part, and predicate means verb based part. Here you have to match subject with predicate. Rama and Ankit are my classmates. Rama and Ankit are my classmates. Our neighbor helped me in the hours of need. A rich man has bought a new car. Who will be the chief guest in the function? I am not interested in pop music. As we find that question number first, second and third, noun is subject, and in fourth and fifth, pronoun is subject. And then question number E, put into the order the following jumbled words to make them sentence. These are a group of words, but it is not in a arranged form, so it is not a sentence. As I told you, sentence means a group of words that is arranged in a proper way, in a grammatical way that makes complete sense. To make these sentence a sensible sentence or complete sense, we have to arrange it according to the rules of grammar. So how can we write it? First you have to write most of the people in India like cricket. Most of the people in India like cricket. And the second is, America is the richest country in the world. America is the richest country in the world. Now, the sentence gives, these sentences are giving complete sense, complete meaning, so we can call it sentence. Otherwise, these group of words is not any sentence, because these are not arranged in a grammatical way. So what you have to write in your fair copy class? Write exercise number D and exercise number E as it is written in this paper. I will send you the picture of these answers, and then you have to write it. And first watch the video and do it in your copy.